Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill. My name is Jan, and this is what we're gonna make today. My chicken taco recipe from the pressure cooker. First, start with a good amount of good quality olive oil. And don't be shy, put a lot in it. Now we're gonna saute one white onion. Give that a good mix so that the olive oil can coat with the onion and can start a little bit to caramelize. Add a good pinch of salt. Well, 2 pinches maybe. Now give this a good mix and let it saute for a bit more. Now make some space for 2 beautiful chicken breasts. And we're gonna saute them for a bit. Well, have a look on the other side. Yep, a little bit brown, and that's what we want. Just a little bit. That will give it extra flavors. Now we're gonna add these Mexican bean mix. It's a mice bean mix. Look at those beautiful colors. Red, green, yellow. Now we're gonna also add some Frito tomato sauce. Just 1 package. Squeeze it all in. Now the taco. You can do your own seasoning, but I like this Santa Maria taco seasoning. It's really good. Try it. And we're gonna put in the whole package. We're also gonna add some honey. Just a little bit to make it a little bit sweet. Now 1 cup of chicken broth. Give it a good stir. Let those flavors mix. Now close the lid. Check the valve, it's okay. And let's pressurize. Let's put it on high heat, and we're gonna do it for about, I think, about 12 minutes. It should be enough to make the chicken tender. Now let's start. Depressurizing. Oh man, my next pressure cooker will have to be something that I don't have to put on the bottom. But hey, let's look inside. Ooh, steamy. I like steamy food. That looks and smells amazing. Yep. Oh yes, the chicken is tender. That's really gonna help with the shredding of the chicken. Now, let's get the chicken out and get it shredded. And you can feel that the chicken already is really tender. Now put the sauce on simmer mode, and we're gonna add in our shredded chicken. And maybe 2 chicken breasts isn't enough for you, but you can also do 5. Make it how you like it. That's really my motto. Now it's shredded, but we're gonna cook it down and let it simmer a bit. I don't want all those juices. So just put it on simmer mode for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now all the moist is almost gone, and that's how we like it. You can put this on a pizza. Pizza idea. You can put it on a bun or in a wrap. Now look at that. Grab yourself a bowl and, well, I'm not gonna plate it to eat yet, but I want to show you that it really looks very delicious, very tasty, and it has a lot of flavors. The taco seasoning from Santa Maria is absolutely amazing, and I think I'm gonna make a pizza out of it, just for the lazy pizza day, and maybe a bun or a wrap. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my chicken taco recipe. It's really delicious. If you're new to the channel, then I hope you subscribe, give me a like and leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time. You can also find me on Instagram, Sushi Chill and Grill. See ya there.